Alright guys, so right now we're about to hit the road. We're gonna go down to Houston today to meet up with my buddy Wes from Elite Finish Detailing, get the ceramic coating put on the carbon fiber hood, get everything ready for this upcoming hail and summer dust season, so the car's paint doesn't just get destroyed. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride also too. While I'm down there, I'm gonna be scoping out a couple of things for Texas 2K because I'll be there next week, hopefully, depending on the weather. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the ride. What the hell does this guy? This guy got a serious ass go-kart. Look at that fucking thing. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm encountering right now, but I'm rolling through a convoy of lowriders. Like, look at that. Look at that. Alright, so while I'm on the drive to Houston, once again, just in 86 face style, I'm gonna ruff a couple feathers. It's alright. Kind of want to talk to you about the difference I'm noticing between the Southern California and Texas car scenes, because they are different. Holy shit. Okay, California, we got all kinds of, or I can't say we anymore, I don't live there, but in California they have all kinds of emission restrictions. They have all kinds of restrictions about height of vehicles. They have restrictions about neon lights. They have, I mean, shit, decibel readers, like all that shit, right? Y'all are gonna see in a second there's gonna be a white Yukon pull up. Me and this guy get into it earlier because he wanted to be a fucking dick and cut me off at 95 miles an hour. Fuck you looking at? So California is very, very diverse as far as the car scene. So out there you have the little Honda racers who have their emission hookup friends, and they're able to run boost. It's true. Good. A little family friend of ours, Darden. I mean, Darden Tune is a gigantic thing. That guy holds stupid records. Been all over Hoonigan and crazy. But there's also scenes out there like what is it? Like I don't know. Like, what is it? Stance Nation, something like that. God, dude. Some of these cars, I look at them like, that cannot be a comfortable ride. Tires are out here, 45 degrees of camber. If I just sounded ignorant right there, it's true. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about when it comes to that stuff. You have, I'm not going to name the club, but you have clubs out there that are all about being the flashiest, loudest thing they possibly can. And, it's very eccentric. We're talking gold-leafed paint, pinstriping, 30-inch wheels with bags. Explain that one to me. 30-inch wheels with bags, and the loudest bass you've ever heard in your entire life. Like, and this is a club that everybody in Southern California, especially San Diego, knows, because they roll into a meet and everybody's ready to leave. We ain't got time for that. The thing about Texas that trips me out is the amount of neon lights here. Holy shit, the amount of neon lights. Like, it's like a goddamn rave Christmas tree out here. Here goes this Yukon again. Oh, that guy thinks he is hard as fuck, too. God. Yeah. Okay, I've never seen this before in Texas, okay? People drive like this. Get out of here. Okay, so Texas, neon fucking lights, dude. When I say neon lights, like, this shit is it's beyond being a fad out here. These dudes have color remotes. These fools put, I mean, they're engine bays. What the hell? Like Q Tomb Raider when she opens her treasure chest. Then, wow, like, what the fuck is that? Just like neon lights for years. And I mean, I get it. Hey, you want to express yourself. I'm all for that, but holy shit, like if I could see you from space, might be doing a bit much. They have stuff now that I've seen where they put them in the wheel well, so when they drive, the tires glow. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
New for kids, it's Skechers Energy Lights. They look good all day and even better at night.
You look ridiculous. Changing halos, they're in the grill. There's this thing now going around. It is, goddamn, the biggest fucking waste of money I've seen in a long time. People are buying wind restrictors, okay? For those of you who don't know what a wind restrictor is, think about an S2000, okay? The two seats come up over the top, and they're over the bonnet line of the vehicle, okay? So you put a wind restrictor in between there to change the flow of airflow. That way it's not deafening the two passengers in between both seats, okay? That's what a wind restrictor is for. People are buying wind restrictors here now in hardtop cars because they light up and you can put a message on them, and then they put them in the back window. Like, you have nothing else to spend your money on? Nothing. Hey, shit, sponsor me. Apparently I need a V8. The off-road guys out here, hey, they are the most serious off-road guys you will ever experience in your life. Like, wow. Hey man, what kind of tires are those? Oh, this, that, and the other. They weigh 1,800 pounds a piece. What the fuck? Why? Oh, I climb up mountains. I go up the side of Pikes Peak. Like, what? Off-road guys are cool as shit, though. I mean, obviously you've seen from a couple of the past videos. Go watch those because they ain't getting no love. But we're getting more in touch with the that scene too. Trying to anyway. It's very different. Another thing about this car scene out here is like, dude, San Diego, you can go down the highway any given day, see a Ferrari, see a Lamborghini, a couple GTRs. Shit, saw a LaFerrari on the highway on the 5. Seen Pagani's. Like, it's normal. Literally here, it could be a Ferrari 360 or a 599 or like a Murcielago or a Gallardo, or I mean,
nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Smoke 'em.
people lose their shit over GTRs. I'm like, where am I? Because like, it's like lose their minds. Like, I'm talking about 6,000 pictures, and you're like, dude, it's at the end of the day, it's all Nissan. Yeah, I said it, and I want one. Get over it. It's just different out here. Now, two biggest differences I see between California and here. Okay, Texas. There are a lot of cars out here rolling the roads that you do not want to fuck with. Okay, and what I mean by that is there are cars out here that people daily 1,100 horsepower. Yeah, you heard me. 1,100 horsepower. Okay. And then these dudes take them to the track, murder everything, drive them home. It's crazy. I fucking love it. There are a lot of Mopars out here. People love Dodge in this area. My goodness. And in California, okay, biggest difference I see out there, it is a very, very, very Japanese car scene out there. A lot of Asian vehicles. And I mean, it's crazy to watch. Like, when the FRS came out, you saw 700,000 of those things everywhere. Everywhere. The rocket money. Oh, God. The rocket money crap. Speaking of the devil, there's a Mopar right here. We're going to pass the 300 on my driver's side. By the way, for those of you who don't know, they RIP just actually released a 390 or a 300 RIP kit. Check them out. But yeah, out there It's a very big Japanese scene and not extremely high horsepower stuff. And I get why, because you have laws out there that prevent that from happening. Yeah. People out here are about their show trophies. But hey, at the end of the day, you're going to do what you want to do. All right, guys, we're going to continue on to Houston.